Hey guys, welcome to Dwood. I'm David. Today we're going to be working on a miter saw station, the base for now. This is based off of Jay Bates and DIY Tyler's YouTube channels where they built their miter stations. I didn't buy their plans. I just kind of made my own on SketchUp and changed a couple of things. There will be some upper cabinets that will be in a later video. Stay tuned and hope you enjoy. I started by making the model in SketchUp. I cut all the bottom cabinet pieces to size on the table saw. I measured and cut a 3-inch kick panel opening on the bandsaw. Next, I used the sled to cut all the stiles and rails to exact length. Now I cut them to width, 3 6-inch rails and 1 3-inch rail per cabinet. I drilled pocket holes in all the rails for easy assembly with strong joints. I also went ahead and pre-drilled pocket holes in the sides, just at the top, to attach the station top with later. Next, I glued and assembled the cabinets on their sides, using brad nails to help hold them in place, and then using pocket screws. More glue and set the other side on carefully. Attach with brad nails and Kreg pocket screws. I used an old 2x8 laying around, cut it to length, and then ripped it into 2-inch strips. These will be attached to the bottom for adjustable feet. I drilled 3/8-inch holes in these strips for the T-nuts to go into. Hammered the T-nuts in, and I used 2-inch carriage bolts for the legs. Next, glue, drill, and screw each strip into place on the bottom of the cabinet with 3 screws. Now let's make some room for our station. Mine needed to be about 16 inches from the wall to give the miter station room to move and make plenty of room for the upper cabinets that will be in another video. Now I am cutting the center connecting shelf where the miter saw will go. I added 2 strips of dimensional lumber for some added strength to the plywood and drilled pocket holes to attach the shelf to the cabinets. To make leveling the shelf easier, I added plywood strips just to set it in place by using brad nails. I won't use glue on the shelf in case I ever need to move the station to another house or location in the shop. Set the shelf in place and attach with pocket screws. I added another cabinet on each side with no glue and screws off video. Part 2 of the build will come soon. Please subscribe and get notified when I post the second part and other soon to come projects. Thanks for watching.